Hey everyone, so getting ready to prep for Rocky Mountain Race Week, and we got Wally right here behind me. If you guys didn't know, Wally has actually spent his time here in Colorado with me, and now we're getting ready for Rocky Mountain Race Week. It is Thursday. Saturday I'm leaving, driving Wally all the way out there. We had to have the return of Wally for Rocky Mountain Race Week 2.0, so we wanted to do a few things to him right before we head out there. We can't show up with the same car. Had to try to do a few little mods to it to try to go even a little bit faster. So what we're here to do is a J mod, and we got the transpan off. If you guys look online, you more or less realize that there's a separator plate in here that if you drill open some holes and enlarge them, you'll pretty much increase the pressure is the way I take it, which will help it shift. That's a very raw, non-scientific way of explaining what a J mod is. So that's what our plan is. Doug and Andy both said that this thing shifted super slow and it could use a bunch from it. And if you look up everybody talking about it, they can gain a lot of performance from just doing this mod. So we're gonna do that real quick. I got some nitrous bottles filled up, so that's all ready to go, but that's the plan. And then I think Doug has some wheels and tires coming that he will meet me in Tulsa with, and then we will be taking this on race week, and Doug will have his Nova. So we're gonna go ahead and get this mod done so then we can make it to Rocky Mountain Race Week. So after 24 bolts and a whole lot of transmission fluid, we do have the valve body out of it now. And we're going to take it over. Pretty sure the plate is right here that we need to kind of drill through and stuff. There's actually a gasket, plate, gasket right there. And then we will get it modded and hopefully get it back in there. There's 400 gallons of transmission fluid in this thing, I swear. Alright guys, so this is actually the shop where I keep my dyno and dyno some cars over there. But shout out to Paul, he's helping me here tonight. Got it pretty much pulled apart there. So this is what we're figuring we got to drill some holes in, change the pressures. Real nice.
A little bit of fun.
Make all the transmission magic happen. Update on the fluid, it's still draining. So, yep. So got everything marked out. So we do what? 2, 4, 5, 9, and 11. All those holes get enlarged to what is it? About a 0.1.
0.110
is what they're recommending to drill these out to. So we're going to go ahead and find a drill bit, get these opened up. So it looks like we got it drilled, deburred, and not a lot of difference, just opening them a little bit. And then we'll be taking out the springs in the transmission. So there's a spring here that actually just fell out when we pulled it out. It's right here. So this little piece goes back up in there and just rides. And then we need to actually pull this one off here. There's a little retaining clip, and then pull the 2 springs that are in there out. That's the 1, 2. This is the 3, 4. Quick run to get some transmission fluid, and it looks like the spring's out there. Just a little snap ring, ready to go back in, huh? Nice. So get that set back in there. Reinstall, fill it up with some fluid, and should be pretty good. We're gonna throw a new gasket or new filter, new gaskets and stuff on here now. And you're ready to go back together. So it's pretty easy, just drilling those things out and removing a few springs. Real simple, not a whole lot to it, I guess.
More nerve-wracking.
Yeah, just making sure everything's covered. You don't flip rings across the floor and stuff. Yeah, exactly.
Jesus clips.
Yep.
The reason we call them that.
Yeah. Our other helper, Bruce, been hanging all day, huh, buddy? Yep. Well, there it is, down on the ground. Fire it up, get some fluid in it. Got some fluid in it. Sure we got some movement still. Oh yeah. No problem. No problem. So far, so good. Go ahead and finish chopping this thing off, then maybe go take it for a spin, make sure everything works. Yeah, that's raw horsepower right there, buddy. Don't even know. Alright guys, tranny's pretty much topped off. Go and take a rip, see what this thing can do. Oh. Checking out my interior for the next week. It's gonna be a little loud where it's all gutted, but in the name of race cars, right? So not too bad. Definitely took us a few hours, but I'm sure it's going to be worth it. Get this thing pulled out of here. turd once she gets in the second. I've literally not driven this car pretty much at all. I mean, she's full rip right there.
That's when the nitrous comes in.
Yeah. Old Wally definitely does a lot better on the bottle. Alright, guys. Wally is ready to rip, I think. Might need to get some fuel in this thing, though. But, I just picked up Wally. Got the J-Mod finished up on it last night. Definitely seems to make a decent little bit of difference. Going to load up some tools, a jack to change some tires on this thing once we get to Tulsa and get ready to start running Rocky Mountain Race Week. So if you guys want to follow along with the ventures, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video.